Doing good, guys. Y'all made it all the way around.
Rug. All right,
Woohoo!
you need a rug. You need a rug.
Oh, to walk on. Oh, is it slimy?
And the car wash. Walk a rug upgrade. Go left. Wait, go right. I should have.
Go right. It's slimy over there, they said.
Careful. Go right.
Good job, guys.
How many minutes? What time is it?
Who's in the very back?
10 minutes. 25. Wow.
10 minutes. That's faster than before, girls. That's awesome. Who's in the very back? Is that Mindy in the back?
No, Mindy's to the side. She has an orange cap on. Oh, sorry, you must not too.
Good job, guys.
Pay extra for my snotty nose. I'm sure I wiped it. Handshake.
Nice job. Bringing it in, girls. Woo! Y'all are killing it. Nice job, Julie. Champions. So who's still left out there? Tony? Okay. Can y'all walk? Can you walk on it? With a whip. Good job, guys.
Six are out, and then it's cup. So then you're just, So you're better off staying right
Just did the lake swim and they're fixing to get on their bikes. They're training for the triathlon. Woo! Nice job. Lavella has lost 20 pounds this summer doing this try. Be inspired, girls. If you're watching, give these girls some thumbs up. They have been training all summer for this triathlon. It's on September 8th. This is their last lake swim. Thanks, Liz. They're amazing. Good job, Pammy. Good job, guys. Good job, guys. Most of these girls are in their 50s, a couple in their 60s.
It was good.
Good job, Pam.
Girl.
Bringing it in. Nice job, guys. Y'all give me a thumbs up. Woohoo! Woo! Great job, girls. Good job, Jan. Woohoo! Y'all cut off 2 minutes of your time.
Oh my gosh.
That was fast. Nice job, guys. Woohoo! Great job, guys. On to the bikes now.